In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a Wix website using your phone, step by step. Whether you're moving on to new projects or simply need to streamline your digital presence, these instructions will guide you through the process with ease. First, let's begin by accessing the Wix platform from your mobile device. You can either download the Wix app via Google Play or the App Store if you haven't already, or just open it if it's already installed. Sign in using the account details you used to create your website, ensuring you're connected to the right one. Once logged in, the next thing to do is head over to the My Sites section. This is where you'll find all your existing sites. To get there, tap on the menu icon, which you'll recognize by its three horizontal lines, often referred to as the hamburger menu, located at the top of your screen. After tapping, select My Sites from the menu options. Here, you'll get a comprehensive list of all the websites under your Wix account. Now, you need to choose the specific website you wish to delete. Next to each site name, you'll spot an icon with three dots. Tap on these dots for the site you want to remove. Doing this brings up additional options, allowing you to dive deeper into site management features. From here, select Site Settings or Manage Site, depending on the version of the app you have. With the site settings open, it's time to take action and delete the site. Scroll through the settings until you find the Move to Trash or Delete Site option. Keep in mind that the wording may slightly differ based on app updates, but it serves the same purpose. Once you select this, a confirmation prompt usually appears asking if you're sure you want to proceed with the deletion. It typically reads something like, "Are you sure you want to move this site to trash?" Confirm your decision by tapping yes or confirm, depending on what's shown. For those of you keen to finalize this process, consider emptying the trash. Although this step is optional, it's recommended for complete site removal. To do this, go back to My Sites and navigate to the trash section. Here, you'll encounter a trash icon or an option labeled Manage Trash. Select the site you've deleted and choose Delete Permanently, which ensures that the site is entirely removed from your account, leaving no trace behind. By following these steps, you'll be able to seamlessly manage and delete your Wix sites directly from your phone. As always, make sure that you're really ready to delete the site, considering any valuable information or data it might contain. Thanks for watching, and we hope you found this guide helpful.